In this video, we are discuss difference between valid, void, and voidable contract. Valid, void, and voidable contract are all types of contract under the Indian Contract Act. The difference between these contracts are valid contract. A valid contract is a contract that is enforceable by law. It is a contract that is made between competent parties with the free consent for a lawful consideration, and for a lawful object. Such a contract creates legal rights and obligations on both parties, and the courts will enforce them. Void contract. A void contract is a contract that is not enforceable by law. It is a contract that is illegal, and it is considered to have no legal effects. For example, a contract to commit a common or a contract that is against public policy is void. Such a contract cannot be enforced by the court, and it is considered null and void from the beginning. Voidable contract. A voidable contract is a contract that is valid, but one of the parties has the right to avoid the contract at the options. This means that the party who has the right to avoid the contract can choose to either enforce the contract or avoid it. For example, a contract entered into by a person who is under duress or undue influence is voidable. Such a contract remains valid until it is avoided by the party who has the right to avoid it. A valid contract is enforceable by law. A void contract has not legal effect, and voidable contract is a valid contract, but one of the parties has the right to avoid it. It is essential to understand the difference between these contracts to ensure that your business contracts are enforceable and legal binding. Thank you.